What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create a section like this one, okay, the editorial rating with pros and cons about some product to your customers, okay, and how to apply this into any page or post of your site, okay. So if you are doing a product review or something like this feature is awesome for you, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Once right here, review the upper right corner of our screen next to keyword, we're gonna type into the search field Ultimate Editorial Rating, and this is the guide we're looking for, okay? Click on Install Now. This is the guide by plugin, okay? After this, click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin's welcome page, okay? And as you can review, it's gonna create next to page a new button into your WordPress left sidebar of menus, okay? And right here we can add a new review, read the documentation, or review the live demonstrative website. And you can review the pro features right here in the case that you want to go pro to unlock extra features. In this tutorial we're gonna use the free one, but if you enjoy, I recommend you to try the pro, okay? Click on Add New Review. And right here, we're gonna add a review. For example, camera. Gonna be the review, okay? And show or hide score into this post. Show, please. Title or product name. It can be camera 111, okay? And then the overview of the camera. This is gonna be your text about the camera, okay? I'm just gonna apply some dummy content right here to occupy the space. Then you can upload the product image, okay? This is really important. And now this is where the fun begins. You can apply the editorial rating, okay? So we have a rating, for example, video quality. And we're gonna give a rating. We can add a new one, call it follow quality. And you can apply as many as you want, okay? Then you can enter with on or off for the progress bar animation, show or hide pros and cons into this post. It can show or not. And if you show, advantage list pros, okay? So advantage sample and disadvantage list advantage sample. We can apply as many into this list as we need. And then we have a button, for example, buy now, and we can even apply an affiliate link. For example, if you're an Amazon affiliated or something like this, you're gonna apply the buy button right here. Or even if you run your own store on your site, you can apply the buy button right here. This is really useful, okay? Then open the link into a new tab, turn the button link into a new follow, okay? After this, here is the shortcode. This is gonna be important later, okay? So copy this shortcode right here. Copy to your clipboard, okay? Then we're gonna click into the publish button into the top right corner of my screen, and the review it's now published. If you go to the editorial rating now into your WordPress dashboard, you can see your reviews, okay? And after this, you can apply this wherever you want. For example, into posts. Imagine that this is a post about a camera, okay? You are writing a post about camera. And into any part of your post, we can, for example, type some space, click into this plus button, search for an element or a widget called shortcodes, place the shortcode right here, update the post or publish the post, and let's review the results we got. And here is my review. Of course, I can apply more content right here in the case that I want, okay? I can apply more layouts. Let's go back to our plugin. Let's move to settings. And right here, show editor rating on, and you can apply some posts to be appearing. We can show editorial rating about on the products, post types, on page or landing page, or any other parts of your site, okay? And we can keep editing the reviews. For example, if I go back to my camera review, I can enter more text right here. I can apply more filters right here. I can apply more pros and cons. Don't forget to update this page, and let's test it out. And here is the results we got, okay? The overall score, the buy now button, and all working into a beauty way. And of course, it gonna feed into any layout you want. In my case, I have this into a single column, but I can apply this shortcut into a sidebar, into a one health column layout, in the place that you want, using the page builder that you want, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or any other page builder you like, or Enzu free WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can download to customize your site, or Growth.net platform, Growth with 3Ws, in order to submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock access to our full templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. All you need to create an amazing site from the beginning, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!